This guide will help you disable automatic restrictions on your Epic Games account. Follow these steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Locate Privacy Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. This area contains options related to your account's visibility and restrictions. Step 4. Adjust automatic restrictions. Within the Privacy settings, find the option for automatic restrictions. You may see a toggle or checkbox that allows you to enable or disable these restrictions. Adjust the setting according to your preference. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, be sure to save the changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the settings page and click it to ensure your new settings are applied. By following these steps, you can successfully disable automatic restrictions on your Epic Games account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.